today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save files in Adobe Photoshop 2024 in various formats such as SVG, PNG, and JPEG. Whether you're a seasoned designer or picking up Photoshop for the first time, knowing how to properly save your work is crucial not only for preserving the quality of your designs, but also for ensuring compatibility across different platforms and software. To begin, let's open Adobe Photoshop. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you do so through Adobe's official website or your preferred source. Once you've fired up Photoshop, you should see your workspace area. This is the hub where all your creative action takes place. If you're new to Photoshop, don't worry. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the panels and tools available to you. Now, it's time to add your image. Go ahead and import the image you want to work with by navigating to File in the top menu and selecting Open. This action will bring up your computer's File Explorer, allowing you to choose the image file you wish to edit. Select the file and hit Open to bring it up within your Photoshop workspace. You should see your image appear, ready for any edits or adjustments you wish to make. Feel free to experiment with the various tools Photoshop offers, like the brush tool or the adjustment settings, to get your image looking just right. After completing any edits and ensuring your image is polished exactly how you want it, it's time to save your work. The file format you choose here can influence how your image is accessed later, so it's important to select the right one for your needs. Head to the File menu in the top left corner of the interface once again. From there, hover over Export and select Export As. This will trigger a new window where you can choose the output format for your image. In the Export As dialog, you'll see options like SVG, PNG, and JPEG listed. Each format serves different purposes. PNG is excellent for maintaining high quality with transparent backgrounds, perfect for web graphics. JPEG is universally supported and is great when you need to save images in a smaller file size without sacrificing too much quality. SVG is predominantly used for vector graphics, ideal for logos and illustrations that need to scale without losing resolution. Select your desired file format by clicking on it, ensuring to adjust any additional settings such as compression levels or dimensions according to your needs. Once satisfied, click Export or Save at the bottom of the window, then choose where you'd like to store the file on your computer. And there you have it. Your image is now saved and ready to be used or shared in whatever way suits your project best. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.